I'm a dude disguised as a dude playing another dude, which is exactly how this video is going to be. Welcome everybody back to Brook with Cerakote in the shop. Today we had somebody buy our CJRB knife that we could work on for somebody else. So today's knife is going to be a slight surprise. Again, love what I'm seeing from CJRB so far with these pocket knives. They're really, really great. Contrary to what people may have seen in the review video, these are not assisted. The only thing in these, there are ceramic ball bearings, so it opens easier, but there is no spring, there is no automatic, there is no nothing like that. So, we're going to do this. It's going to either work great or not, as usual. It's either going to come out really cool or what the heck. So,
got my hands stained black, push the metal and the flames up, coating lives in the grind slap. Daybreak still on the attack. Steel beast in the firelight, motorcycles shine so bright, knives and guns in the twilight, hardcore blood in every night. Steel beast in the firelight, motorcycles shine so bright, knives and guns in the twilight, hardcore blood in every night. Cerakote, fuel my fight, paint the world with my might. No sleep in the dead of night, hard work makes it alright. Cards roaring through the lands, my craft in their iron hands, dreams in the furnace stands, each stroke demands and commands. Cars roaring through the lands, my craft in their iron hands, dreams in the furnace stands, each stroke demands and commands. Fire and flash, dance as friends, never let me no pretense. Scratch and coat never ends, to the dark my light lends. Every street can walk a ride on this endless road.
what's going on everybody? Welcome to Brook with Cerakote in the shop. If you are new here, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help us out. And if you don't hit it, that's just because you suck. So make sure you go over there and hit that like and subscribe button. Share out this video. Keep this channel growing so that we can continue to bring you awesome projects. We're going to get this project started. So the first color we're going to start with is a new color that I picked up from Cerakote, and that color is Frost. I did not only pick it up for this project, but I was in need of white again, so we found some white and got some white, and that's how it goes. So, we are going to be doing this awesome project. I'm going to put this stuff out of the way so that it doesn't get lost or maneuvered or shifted or anything like that, because that is exactly what we're going to need to put everything back together. So, where am I at? Okay. It's time to prepare Frost. It's frosty. Got a little drippage. Yes, there's going to be some stencils. Can't forget the stencils. Gonna put the hardener in here. And FYI, if you want to find out who it's for, watch it till the end. Because I'm not telling you. Ain't gonna happen. Unless I slip off. That shouldn't happen, guys. Now we must strain. We'll strain the frosty paint. There's actually, I think, going to be, yeah. Alright, guys. Here's our CJRB blade. Let's start it! I think it's safe to say it's frosty. So our next color is in our blue, and we're going to be putting a little bit of darkness in it so we could try to bring it a little bit darker. Alright, let's hope it does good. There are a couple stencils going on, but I can't show you the stencils going on, because if I show you the stencils going on, then it ruins the surprise. And there's only two people that know the surprise, and that is me and the person who started the surprise, so I can't tell you. So, the next stencils going on, you will not be able to see for said reason. If you have a problem with it, you can file your complaints at yousuck.com. Anyway. Oh, look at that. So freaking sexy. Okay. Anyway. Not sure if I said this before, but that blue we mixed up is actually 100% a custom color. So we did not have that. It was a custom color mixed for this blade in particular. Because I wanted to kind of correlate it with the handle. So custom color for peoples, yo. And we are going to do some sticks and leaves again. This time it's going to be a wee different though, because we're going to do a mist over that color, a little over that color in certain spots, or try to with my shaky frickin' hands. We're going to do a mist in certain spots over that color so we can actually bring out the outline and the leaves coming through, but we're not having the but we're not having a different color be the leaves. We're having that outline show through, so it should look pretty cool. Okay, y'all, now's the time where we start doing schmencels. Gotta do the schmencels. Move this one a little bit to where it kind of goes off. There we go. Actually, I'm gonna move this one. All right, let's tack this out. All right, y'all, everyone's favorite part. Oh, it's exactly what I wanted. I don't know if you can see that, but it's not a different color. It's just misted, so it looks like the shadow. Exactly what I wanted. Oh, yeah.
Sweat, borders, suffocating heat. Hands staining color of fight sharp edges to meet. Breathe deep, fumes Cerakote through the lung. Every new coat protection scream from the tongue. Steel leather blades to blazing lights. Grit and grind will pay for the pride. Sunrise to dusk, he strokes with the brush. Chasing reaching perfection in every flawless run. Though in his struggle, trees catch fire. Hands of the worker, blood's desire. Layer by layer, guard his fate. Endless night, forged in paint. Color and armor, a craftsman's creed. Body and soul, the path of bleed. Storms in the mind, but steady the hand. Reflect his spirit on cold metal land. Slays the brown like acid rain. Forge of survival ingrained with pain. Touch of artistry, blast of rage. Every piece holds the warrior stage. Thunder rolls through skies of chrome. Vision of battle and calling it home. From bites to blades, the clash of might. Each coat a testament goes of the fight. Struggle, dreams catch fire. Hands of a worker, blood's desire. Layer by layer, guard his fate. Endless night, forged in pain. Colored in struggle, dreams catch fire. Catch fire. Hands of a worker, blood's desire. Layer by layer, guard his fate. Endless night, forged in pain. Colored in struggle, dreams catch fire. Hands of a worker, blood's desire. Layer by layer, guard his fate. Endless night, forged in paint. Color in armor, color in armor, color in armor, caress in paint. Color in.
So I bet at this point you guys are all saying, I know who this knife is for. Guess what? I guarantee you you're wrong.